Students, welcome to TS Quick Learn. Next exercise is 3.4, that is first question is divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and remainder in each of the following. So the given p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, where g of x is x square minus 2. So we have to divide p of x by g of x. So I have written given p of x and g of x here, and if we divide x square minus 2 by x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3, here how to do this is like, first if we check x square minus 2, so in this case if we divide x cube by x square, we get x. So we will multiply x into x square minus 2, so that we'll get the terms x cube minus 2x. So in place of x terms we need to write minus 2x. If we do that, then x cube minus x cube will be cancelled, and minus 3x square will be as it is brought down, and 5x minus 2x, 5x plus 2x is 7x, and minus 3 is brought down. So minus 3x square, if we divide by x square, we'll get minus 3. So we have to multiply this minus 3 with the divisor. So x square minus 2. If we multiply minus 3 into x square minus 2, we'll get minus 3x square plus 6. We have to write minus 3x square plus 6. So if we subtract that, we'll get minus 3x square and plus 3x square will be cancelled, and 7x is brought down, and minus 3 minus 6 is minus 9. So to verify this whether this quotient and remainder are correct, we are doing this. So x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. So we have a formula that is dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we multiply these terms, then we'll get if we multiply these terms, we are getting the dividend as same. That means quotient is x minus 3 and remainder is 7x minus 9. In the question they just asked about the quotient and the remainder. I just gave the dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder, just for understanding purpose. And the next bit is p of x is equals to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and g of x is equals to x square plus 1 minus x. So I have written the given what are given in the question. So in g of x place, in p of x is equals to x power 4 minus 0 into x power 3. Here x cube value is not given, but we are writing this, but 0 into x cube will become obviously 0. So minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5, and the g of x order is not proper, so I have written x square minus x plus 1. So if we divide x square minus x plus 1 with this polynomial, we get first the digit is x square. If we divide x power 4 by x square, we get x square. So we are multiplying x square into the divisor. What is the divisor is x square minus x plus 1. The answer will be x power 4 minus x cube plus x. In the while doing division, in place of x power 4, we will write x power 4 minus x cube. Here in the question they did not provide x cube value, that's why I have written 0 into x cube. So minus x cube plus x square. So if we divide this, if we subtract this, we'll get x power 4 minus x power 4 will be cancelled, and x cube, the sign will change, and it will be positive x cube plus minus 3x square minus x square will be minus 4x x square, and remaining terms are brought down, just like our division, regular division. So in this case the x cube, so if we divide x cube by x square, what is that x square is the first term of the divisor is that x square. X cube the first term of the remainder what we get, and the first term of the divisor we are dividing. So x cube by x square, we get only x. So that x we need to divide it, multiply it with the divisor to get the terms. So x into x square minus x plus 1, that is x cube minus x square plus x. If we put that x cube minus in x square plus x, then we'll get the remainder. X cube minus x cube will be cancelled, and minus 4x square plus x square will be minus 3x square, and 4x minus x will be plus 4x minus x will be plus 3x, and 5 is brought down. So similarly we have to do for minus 3x square. If we divide minus 3x square by x square, we'll get minus 3. So minus that minus 3 we need to multiply it with the divisor again, so that we'll get minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. This is written in the right hand side in the rough work, so that you'll understand it easily. So minus 3x square plus 3x minus 3. So minus 3x square plus 3x square will be cancelled, plus 3x minus 3x will be cancelled, and plus 5 plus 3 will be 8. So for understanding purpose, whether I have written dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. If we multiply these terms, we'll get dividend only. If we multiply the divisor into quotient, that we got x square plus x minus 3 plus remainder, we get dividend p of x only. So as mentioned in the question, we have found the quotient is x square plus x minus 3 and remainder is 8. And the third bit is p of x is equals to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6, and g of x is 2 minus x square. So in this term also x cube term is missing and x square term is missing. So I just have written 0 into x cube plus 0 into x square, because 0 into x cube will be 0 again, 0 into x square will be 0 again, and g of x is equals to, I have written in an order, that is minus x square plus 2. So we are dividing x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 by minus x square plus 2. If we have to divide, what we have to do, we have to take the first term in the dividend, that is x power 4 by minus x square. If we do that, we'll get minus x square. So that minus x square we are multiplying it with the divisor. We got x power 4 in the right hand side. If we check, x power 4 minus 2x square. So in x power 4 terms place, if we write x power 4, and in place of x square if we write minus 2x square, plus x power 4 minus x power 4 will be cancelled. We don't have anything in the x cube terms, so we don't have to write anything. And in the x square term, it is 0 into x square, so we don't have to do anything. In the here down we have minus 2x square, but while we are subtracting, the signs will change, so it will be plus 2x square. So the remaining terms are brought down. So 2x square minus x minus 5x plus 6. So if we divide the first term in the remainder 2x square by x square minus x square, we'll get minus 2. That minus 2 we are again multiplying it with divisor, that is minus x square plus 2 in the right hand side. So 2x square minus 5x plus 6. In place of 2x square term, if we write 2x square, and in place of constant term, if we take minus 4, plus 2x square minus 2x square will be cancelled, and minus 5x is brought down. 6, it is not 6 minus 4, it is 6 plus 4, because the signs will change. X plus 4 will be 10. The remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Why we are stopping at place of minus 5x plus 10? Because the degree of uh, the remainder is less than the degree of the divisor. So that's why we are stopping the process here, because if we continue the process, we can't divide minus 5x by, so that's why we are stopping it here. And if we check here, dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, then we got the answer p of x. And the quotient is minus x square minus 2, and the remainder is minus 5x plus 10. Second bit is, check in which case the first polynomial is a factor of second polynomial by dividing the second polynomial by the first polynomial. So given in the question, what is given, I have written in the down, that is p of t. The terms are in the term in the alphabet of called t, letter p. So p of t is equals to 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So g of t is t square minus 3. So t square minus 3, the second polynomial, we are dividing it with the first polynomial, t square minus t. P of t, that is 2t power 4 plus 3t cube minus 2t square minus 9t minus 12. So 2t power 4 by t square, the first term in the dividend, we are dividing it with the first term in the divisor, so that we get 2t. T square will be cancelled, and in t power 4 there are 4 t's, so 2 t's will be cancelled and we are left out with 2 t's. So t 2t square, if we multiply the 2t square with the divisor t square minus 3, will get 2t power 4 minus 6t square. So 2t power 4 minus 2t power 4 will be cancelled, and plus 3t cube will be brought down, minus 2t square, uh, what we got is minus 6t square, we have written here, and minus t will be brought down, and minus 12 will be brought down. Now when we get the 3t cube, we are dividing it with the first term in the divisor, that is t square. 3t cube by t square will get 2 t's will be cancelled on the top, 3t will be left out. If we multiply 3t with t square minus 3, will get 3t cube minus 90. 3t cube minus 90 plus 3t cube minus 3t cube will be cancelled, 4t square will be brought down, and minus 90 plus 90 will be cancelled, and minus 12. If we check, we got 4t square minus 12. 4t square minus by the first term in the divisor is t square. The t square and t square will be cancelled. We got only 4. If we multiply that 4 with t square minus 3, we get 4t square minus 12. 4t square minus 12 sign I have written, but it is not plus, it is minus. 4t square minus 4t square will be cancelled, and minus 12 plus 12 will be cancelled. The remainder is 0. So if the remainder is 0, then we can say that the term, the quotient 2t square plus 3t plus 4 is a factor of t square minus 3 polynomial. So we can say that it is a factor of second polynomial as asked in the question. And the next bit is x square plus 3x plus 1, and next that is 3x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. So the p of x and g of x I have written, so we are dividing the g of x, p of x by g of x, that is x square plus 3x plus 1 is we are dividing x square plus 3x plus 1. The first term, the first term of the dividend, we are dividing with the first term of the divisor, that is 3x power 4 by x square. X square will be cancelled in the, and we will get 3x square. In the quotient, I forgot to write the quotient here, so the first term will be 3x square. 3x square, that 3x square we are dividing with the x square plus 3x plus 1. So if we divide that like that, we will get 3x power 4 plus 9x cube plus 3x square. 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 will be cancelled, plus 5x cube minus 9x cube will be minus 4x cube, minus 7x square minus 3x square will be minus 10x square, and 2x plus 2 will be are brought down. So the first term minus 4x cube by x square. If we do that, we'll get minus 4x. So that minus 4x we are multiplying it with the divisor again. So it will get the answer minus 4x cube minus 12x square minus 4x. So minus 4x plus 4x square minus 4x square will be cancelled. Minus 10x square minus 12 plus 12x square will get 2x square, plus 2x minus 4x. In place of but signs are changed, so it will be plus 4x. So 6x plus 2. If we divide 2x square by x square, we'll get 2. So that 2 we are multiplying it with the divisor again, so that we get the term. If we 2x square plus 6x plus 2, if we write the 2x square plus 6x plus 2, plus 2x square minus 2x square will be cancelled, 6x minus 6x will be cancelled, plus 2 minus 2 will be cancelled, and the remainder is 0. And the quotient is if whatever we multiplied, 3x square minus 4x 2. In the right hand side, if you check, 3x square minus 4x plus 2, that is the factor. So 3x square minus 4x plus 2 is a factor. Since the remainder is 0, we can say that it is a factor. Third one is x cube minus 3x plus 1. X power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. We need to check whether it is a factor or not. So P of x is equals to x power 5 minus 4x cube plus x square plus 3x plus 1. G of x is equals to x cube minus 3x plus 1. So x cube minus 3x plus 1. The first term in the dividend, x power 5 by x cube, if we do, we'll get x square. That if we multiply it with x cube minus 3x plus 1, we'll get x power 5 minus 3x cube plus x square, plus x power 5 minus x power 5 will be cancelled, minus 4x cube plus 3x cube will get minus x cube, and x square minus x square will be cancelled, and the remaining terms are brought down. So the first term is minus x cube by the first term in the divisor is x cube. That means we are getting answer as minus 1. If we multiply it by minus 1, we'll get minus x cube plus 3x minus 1. If we write it here down, plus x cube minus x cube will be cancelled, plus 3x minus x will be cancelled, but here it is plus 1, and here it is plus 1, so the remainder is 2. So we cannot say if we have remainder something, we cannot say that it is a factor. So it is not a factor of P of x. So coming to the third bit, obtain all other zeros of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5 if two of its zeros are root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. So I have written what is given. So x plus root 5 by 3, x minus root 5 by 3, we can write it as x square minus 5 by 3. So if we multiply it with 3, because it is a fraction, we are multiplying it with 3. 3x square minus 5 is the factor. So 3x square minus 5 is a factor of 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. So with using this one, we are going to find other factors as well. That is 3x square minus 5. If we divide it with 3x power 4 plus 6x cube minus 2x square minus 10x minus 5. 3x power 4 by 3x square. If we cancel, we get x square. So if we multiply x square with 3x square minus 5, we'll get 3x power 4 minus 5x square plus 3x power 4 minus 3x power 4 will be cancelled. 6x cube is brought down, and minus 2x square plus 5x square will get plus 3x square, minus 10x is brought down, minus 5 is brought down. If we divide 6x cube by 3x square, we are left out with 2x. If we multiply the 2x with 3x square minus 5, we'll get 6x cube minus 10x. If we substitute that one, if we write it that one, if we subtract it, that 6x cube minus 6x cube will be cancelled, 3x square is brought down, and minus 10x plus 10x will be cancelled and left out with minus 5. So 3x square minus 5. If we divide 3x square by first term of the divisor, that is 3x square, will get value 1. So 3x square minus 5 is left out. If we subtract 3x square minus 5, we'll get the remainder 0. So what is the polynomial that we got? X square plus 2x plus 1. So in order to find the other zeros, we have to solve this polynomial x square plus 2x plus 1. As we have seen in the first before exercise, x square plus 2x plus 1, we can solve it using prime factorization method. That is, x square 2x can be written as x plus x plus 1. So in the first two terms, x is common, so 1x, we are left out with 1x plus we have taken 1x common, so it is 1 plus 1. In the second terms, we are just taking plus 1 common, we'll get x plus 1. In these two terms, if we check again, x plus 1 is common, we are left out with one more x plus 1. X plus 1 is equals to 0, x plus 1 is equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 1 and x is equals to minus 1. So the two zeros already they have given, that is root 5 by 3 and minus root 5 by 3. And we found that other roots are minus 1 and minus 1. The four roots are root 5 by 3, minus root 5 by 3, minus 1 and minus 1. Fourth question is, on dividing x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2 by a polynomial g of x, the quotient and remainder were x minus 2 and minus 2x plus 4 respectively. Find g of x. Here they have given asking the problem to be solved in a different way. They have given the quotient and remainder, it seems. Then we have to find the g of x. So given p of x is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and g of x is what we have to find. Quotient is x minus 2 they have given, and remainder is minus 2x plus 4 they have given in the problem. So as we know the formula, p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x. That is, earlier we have seen that dividend is equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So that only I have written in this term. It is p of x, that is x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 2, and is equals to g of x we don't know, into quotient they have given x minus 2 plus remainder they have given. So if we solve this problem, if we send the minus 2x here, will get plus 2x, plus 4 will become minus 4. If we solve this, we'll get x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, and we are left out with g of x into x minus 2. That means now we have to divide it. G of x is equals to, here it is into, so when it goes here it becomes division, that is x cube minus 3x square plus 3x plus minus 2. So x minus 2 into when we are dividing x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 2, the first term is x cube by x is equals to x square, we get x square. If we multiply it with x square with x minus 2, we'll get x cube minus 2x square, plus x cube minus x cube will be cancelled, minus 3x square plus 2x square will be minus x square. So right, minus x square, if we divide minus x square by x, we'll get minus x. If we multiply minus x into x minus 2, we'll get minus x square plus 2x. Minus x square plus 2x plus x square minus x square will be cancelled, plus 3x minus 2x will be x, and minus 2 is brought down. If we check x by x is 1, So we are multiplying it with x minus 2 only. That x minus 2 plus x minus x will be cancelled, minus 2 plus 2 will be cancelled. The remainder is 0. So what is the g of x that we got? X square minus x plus 1. To verify this one, I am just checking it in the rough work. That is g of x, that is x square minus x plus 1 into quotient, that is x minus 2. And the next bit is give examples of polynomials p of x comma g of x comma q of x comma r of x which satisfy the division algorithm. So degree of p of x is equals to degree of q of x. P of x is equals to, I have taken this one, 2x square minus 2x plus 14, and g of x is equals to 2, q of x is equals to x square minus x plus 7, and r of x is equals to 0. They have asked degree of p of x is equals to degree of q of x. What is the degree of p of x value? That is 2x square. So q of x is x square. If we check p of x is equals to g of x into q of x plus r of x, we are getting 2x square minus 2x plus 14. So we are getting the dividend. So this equation is correct. Second bit is degree of q of x is equals to degree of r of x. So degree of q of x is and r of x should be same. X plus 1, 2x plus 2, x power 1, and here also 2x power 1. So both the degrees are same. So p of x is equals to x cube plus x square plus x plus 1. G of x is equals to x square minus 1. Q of x is equals to x plus 1. R of x is equals to 2x plus 2. If we check the value, we'll get the same dividend. Degree of r of x is equals to 0. The remainder will not have any polynomial or linear or quadratic polynomial. So we can take r of x will be constant. So we can use anything in the p of x, g of x, and q of x. So here I have taken this example. You can take any number of examples like this. It is not specific. We can take any number of examples satisfying all these conditions. So if we check g of x into q of x plus r of x, we'll get the dividend value. Check whether whatever you take, if we multiply it, whether it is satisfying the division algorithm conditions or not. Thank you.